Hello, I am the uppercase letter H, and today you're going to practice how to write me. But before, let's say H is for elephant. Yes, correct. Now, are you ready to write me? Good. Grab your pencil and go straight to the dot, trace down to the bottom. Great. And go a bit further to the top, and go to the top and trace down again to the bottom. Go back, go to the top, go a bit further to the top. Yes. Now trace down to the bottom and go to the middle on the dot line and trace to the side to link the two lines. Yes. Great. Let's do it again. From the top to the bottom. Great. Another line next. From the top to the bottom. Great. And now in the middle to the side. Stop. Good job. Another one. Top to bottom. Top to bottom. And now link them with a line in the middle. Great. Now let's write our H without a line to trace. Go. Top to the bottom. Top to the bottom. And on the middle, link the two lines, side. Great. Again, top to the bottom. Another line top to the bottom. Now, in the middle on the dot line. Great. Good job. Perfect. Now you know how to write the letter H, uppercase. So I want you to take your writing book and write me more letter H uppercases. Great. See you. Bye-bye.